Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi sir, ma'am. I'm Marilu Lucas Nacion. I'm 36 years old and I'm married. I have two children. The eldest is 8 years old and the youngest is 4 years old. I live in Roas District, Magallanes, Isabela. I am a college undergraduate. I took up in computer technology, associate computer technology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have a work experience before in Saudi Arabia. In 4 years, I served one couple and two children at age of 4 years old and 11 years old. And I do cleaning, cooking, ironing, and taking care of baby.
What else?
And also washing, cooking.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will check always the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call the employer. Sir,
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest and hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, sir. In the left wrist, 1 by 3 inches.
Okay. Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For my family and my baby, I give my babies needed.
If you get hurt, who will take care of your children?
My mom and my husband, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
Be focused to my work.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 10 p.m. and I wake up 5 a.m., sir.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Be patient, sir, and be calm.
Okay, do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visit the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I extended if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing nursery song?
Yes, sir. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Dear, hi ma'am, sir. Please hire me as your helper. I promise that I do my work and I promise that I'm do my work and I'm looking forward to see you soon. God bless. Thank you.